Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, brown color, green color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first you draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use blue color. A for apple, A for ant. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use red color. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use yellow ochre color. L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use yellow color. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use yellow color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids write Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use red color. Red color. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. R. R for rose. R for rice. And again use red color. Red color. Kids write S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids write U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. V. V for van. V for vanilla. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids write W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids write Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. TW2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Six. The numbers of 6. And again use yellow ochre color. It's now 7. The numbers of 7. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color last letter 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.